for creating this type of torn paper effect in Photoshop. First, head over to your layer panel. Drag the image and create a copy of it. Then create a new blank layer. Hide copied image. Now click on the brush tool, select brush. I am going to use this torn paper brush. And if you want to use them, the download link is in the description. And apply. Then show the image, and create new black and white layer. Right-click and create a clipping mask. Both layers. Then right-click on the brush layer, and open the blending options. Apply inner shadow. Again, create another new blank layer. Click on the brush tool, adjust the size. And then apply. And that's it. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.